everybody. So this is just an introduction. This complete vlog will come soon, which is a staycation in Taj Deccan. But as of now, enjoy this beautiful makeup look, which is smoky eye. So first thing, I will start with the base, and the base will be for the watermelon gel. You can take any moisturizer that suits you. I usually go for gel based. So watermelon, this is from Good Vibes. It is very simple, transparent, and at the same time a red kind of transparent. So I will be just blending it all. I will let this set for a little while, and by that time I will quickly show you which primer I'm just gonna use. I will be using this Maluka primer photo finish foundation. So this is the next thing that I'm gonna apply. Let this set for a pretty while. By the time you can definitely go for your hairs. I did pin up my hair because this side it is falling, so you can do those parts and also get prepared for the next step. Next thing, I will be starting with this Maluka primer, and the primer somewhere looks like this. I'm just gonna quickly now, if the primer is a little bit of illuminant, then I think the work of illuminator is like almost done. So I will let this completely absorb, because the primer, it's not just applying but it has to get absorbed, and I think it will take a little while to get absorbed, so give it that time. And by that time we can definitely do our hairs and other thing. If you really want to style your hair, then this is the time where you can easily go ahead and style that. So I will be keeping normal the way I always keep my hair. So I will be in that same way where it is. So yeah. Next thing, I will be definitely setting this entire thing with a loose powder. Now you can use any loose powder of your choice, but today I will be using Lakme Whitening Rose Powder. It's completely white powder, but yes, definitely it helps to set. Especially in the area where you sweat. So starting it might look a little weird, but yes, by the time it will definitely get set. So it completely got set. And the next thing quickly you can do is for your brows, and for that I will be using TFF ka brow normal brow powder. This is kind of a brow palette. You can use any, or you can use also the pencil. That is also fine, nothing wrong in that. Depends what suits you and what you are comfortable with. So today only I did the brows. Finally in Hyderabad the lockdown is like all gone, so I got time to do my brows. So I'm just gonna fill this. It's already done, so I just need to touch it up. That's it. Yeah, that's as simple as that. If your brows are not done, you definitely you can thicken it, you can make it little thin. Completely depend on your choice, completely depend on your face, and also definitely your choice, anything that suits you. The next thing, quickly I will be moving. I will not do more of it, but definitely I will directly move to a smoky black look. Now many of you guys have already requested to do the smoky look, and I thought why not today. I know the smoky look usually goes with black outfit, but definitely it's not like that. Smoky look can definitely go with the party look or any normal random look also, it is fine. That's the reason I'm trying to do the smoky look with the help of a normal party wear t-shirt or party wear dress. Specifically this is a one piece of party wear, so you can definitely go ahead and do a smoky look with this as well. So the palettes that I will be using is, I'm just gonna quickly show. Mostly I will be using this Glam 21 ka palette. I'm just gonna show you. If you are watching this channel for the first time, then probably you might not be knowing it, but if you are already a visitor, you might be knowing this palette, which is Glam 21. It has all the shades of a party, so definitely I will be doing with that brown, and also I will be mixing a black color because smoky eyes is incomplete without the black color. And for that I will be taking this Marska palette. So I will be taking the black color from here, okay, and the transition shade, if I can take this palette also for the transition shade also. So what I will be doing is, with the help of this Mars palette, this is Mars the Modern palette. Now yeah, this is the palette that I will be using thoroughly today for this smoky look. So the brushes again will be the same, which is our Budaka brushes, and the same brushes which you have already seen me. So I will be quickly moving into the, I will start with the transition shade, and for the transition shade definitely you can go with the brown color, and the main shade definitely will be black. So selection of the shades are as important as you do for the eye makeup. If you have an idea for the transition shade and the main shade, so both are pretty different and you got to have an idea on that. First I will start with this fluffy brush, and I will be taking the transition color, which is the brown color, and I will be starting with the base. Definitely dust off the excess whenever you're working with the eyes. I could have easily taken this purple color because that fits my outfit, but I wanted to do a smoky look, so that's the reason I am trying the smoky look with this outfit. Don't do the transition shade more because that's just a base. I will straight away dive to the black color. It is that much intense, so please be very careful when you are working with the black color. I'm gonna change the brush. Kind of this one. Again, smoky look doesn't happen just like that. There is a very slight difference between a smoky look and a panda eyes, to be very honest. So you have to really blend and try to develop the entire color. For that you have to keep on changing your brushes. I'll be taking this angular kind of brush. I'm just gonna blend it. So I kept on blending, and that's how I reached. And little bit of intense smoky, and then in the middle, definitely, since I'm wearing something bluish kind of, so we can definitely move it with any other color or just the brown shade. Completely depends on you. I'm just gonna blend it this with just brown shade so that it gets a little less intense. And definitely you can add in any shimmer also, depends on what and how you wanted your look. I just want something brown shimmer, so I will move to the next palette, which is this one. And I'm just gonna take something like this metal. Depend on your choice. If you want to keep this only this much is like pretty fine. If you want a little bit of shimmer, that is also fine. So I'm just gonna mix both of them. Mix and mix. So that's how I kind of mix it. I'll give it a little closer look. So little smoky at the corner and then little goldenish inside. You can intensify the look, depends on how you want it. Completely depends on you. But I just wanted it to be just like this, a little smoky, but again little metallic. If you feel that the difference between this and your eyebrow is not, that is not so defined, you can definitely use concealer or highlighter. I will not be using any of them. I will be straightly moving into some of the whitish kind of the white color, and I'm just going to fill the gap. And then definitely we have to blend this. For the smoky look, it's very important that we do the inner corners. I will be taking Swiss Beauty highlighter palette, which is this one, and I'm just gonna do the inner corners. Definitely inner corners, you have to choose something a little pointed. That's how the brush selection should be. So I'm just gonna take the pointed one. I'm just taking the middle shade. This is the Swiss Beauty highlighter palette. So take the middle shade. It completely depends if you want to intensify this, but I do not want to intensify more of this look, but definitely depends on if you want that. And I will be going directly with the liner and then the mascara. So I have done the eyeliner. I think now this somewhere looks a little better, but if you still feel that the black look should be intensified, so I'm just going to intensify the black look with again the same palette. Make sure you do not touch the above area, just the crease and the corner. I think rest all can be set with the help of Makeup's fixer that you can use any brand of your choice, but somewhere I feel this particular look is completed. And if you make the eyebrows more prominent, then probably this look will turn out to be more better. So I'm just going to fill my brows a little more intense. Then that completely changes the entire look. Yes. Now no makeup look is complete without the lip color, so you can definitely go for any nude lip color or probably intensified lip color depending on your choice. I will go for a little nude but not that much nude, so I am gonna go with this color particularly. You can definitely use blusher and then bronzer, contour, highlighter. I think highlighter on top of this will look much better. So I with the same bronzer palette, we will be doing a little bit of highlighting part. Then I think this complete look will be more better. That you can definitely go ahead and do that. I'm taking this Swiss Beautica palette and definitely peach color highlight I'm going to take. So that is pretty much, yeah, definitely if you want to overdo that you can do, but I want to keep it the simple and not do the overdo. I think that is completely what I say my kind of smoky look. Definitely contour will help this look to enhance more. It completely depends on you. So I will give a close pic of how this turned out to be. So that's how I call it as a smoky look, where the eyes will be a little smoky, but at the same time the inside hollow part of the eye will not be that much smoky, because that completely ruins the look. So I feel that's how. And if you really like this video, then give us thumbs up, share this video, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you definitely in the next video with another haul. Everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and you guys are watching Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the smoky makeup look, which you can definitely have a look for the party. You can also, if you are with the friends, if you are just meeting after the lockdown and everything, I think then definitely you can have this look. This look is seriously not so easy to achieve. You have to be a lot of careful with a lot of things which I've already discussed. If you really wanted to know how I achieved this look and what are the precautions that you should be taking while achieving this look, then please keep on watching the entire video. Now I forgot to film two major things, is what fixer I have used. So I have used this Kiss Beauty makeup setting spray. Now this is a setting spray which is always good if you are doing any kind of a heavy makeup or a makeup which is which can be worn away, to be honest. So yeah, even for that you should and must be using this kind of a makeup fixer. Can be of your choice. The best is Swiss Beauty and other stuff, so you can definitely go ahead and use that. And the mascara that I have used for this is SFR Supermodel mascara. You can also use the fake eyelashes, that will look more better, but I do not use fake lashes, that's the reason. So this is how the look is, and if you really wanted to know how I achieved it or how different you can achieve it, then please keep on watching the entire video till the end, and yes, I hope you will like it.